girls, it's Miss Gemma here. How are you today? In today's lesson we're going to talk about division, but in particular division into equal groups. So what is division? Division is when a collection of items are split into equal groups. This is also known as sharing equally or fair sharing. So let me show you an example. So here I have 12 pencils and I want to share them with you. So how many of us are there? There's me and there's you. So there's two of us. So let me grab 2 plates so we can share. And then I have my 12 pencils. So I'm going to share them. So one for you, one for me, okay? So one for you, one for me. So I'm sharing them evenly or equally. So I have no more pencils and we have the same amount. So let's check to see how many pencils I have and then how many pencils you have. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 pencils and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 pencils. So 12 divided by 2, because there was 2 of us, equals 6. Let's go do some more examples. So let's have a look at an example. I have 15 bananas and I want to share them with 2 of my friends. So me and 2 of my friends. So how many plates will I need, boys and girls? Me and 2 of my friends. So I need 3. So let me grab 3 plates. So 1, 2, and 3. And I want to share my bananas. So again, it'll be 1 for me, 1 for my friend, and 1 for my other friend, okay? Until we get rid of all the bananas, okay? So let's have a look. So 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 1 for my other friend. All my bananas are gone. So 15 bananas divided by 3 is how many? So how many have I got? I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One of my friends has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my other friend has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we all have the same amount. So 15 bananas divided by 3 equals 5. I have 20 red blocks and I want to share them with 4 of my friends. So me and my 4 friends, I'm going to divide the 20 red blocks. So if I've got me plus 4 friends, I've got 5. So I need 5 plates. So let's get that first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I need to share my red blocks. So 1 by 1. Okay, so let's go. So, oops. Okay, so 1 for me, 1 for a friend, 1 for a friend, 1 for a friend, 1 for a friend. Okay, so I'll share the blocks out until they're all gone. Okay, so 20 blocks divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals, let's make sure we've got all the same first. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've got 4. My first friend has 1, 2, 3, 4. but that's okay. My third friend has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So we all have 4 blocks each. So 20 divided by 5 equals 4. My next example, I have 24 cards and I want to share them with 5 of my friends. So 5 plus me is 6, so I need 6 plates to share them out to. So let's do that first. So my 6 plates, so me and my 5 friends. I'm going to share the cards out. So again, just placing them one on each and then we'll check them, okay? All right, so 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 1 for my other friend, for another friend, another friend, and another friend. Okay, so we've all got 1 so far. So let me just put the cards out until they're all gone. I've got no more cards left and everybody has some cards. Okay, so now we need to check to make sure that we've got all the same. Okay, so let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another friend has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My other friend has 4 too. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And my last friend, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've all got the same, so we've all got 4. So 24 cards divided by 6 equals 4. And our last example for this lesson, boys and girls, is I have 35 lollies and I want to share them with 6 of my friends. So 6 of my friends plus me is 7. So we need 7 plates so we can share out our lollies. Okay, so let's do that first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, and 7. Okay. All right, so now, again, 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 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 until all the lollies are gone. Okay? All right, let's do that. Okay, so 1 for me, 1 for you, 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 and 1 for you. So we all have 1. So I'm going to put the lollies out until they're all gone. All the lollies gone, boys and girls. Okay, so let's make sure that we've all got the same amount. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lollies. My friend has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And my last friend has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we all have 5 lollies each, boys and girls. So 35 divided by 7, because there were 7 of us, is 5. There is a worksheet, boys and girls, that needs you to divide the items up into equal groups, just like we did in this lesson. Boys and girls, you are doing a great job with all of this counting. Now that you know a bit more about dividing into equal groups, your next lesson could be to learn about money and what it looks like. Oh, I wonder what colours the notes and the coins are and how big they are. Why don't you come and join me in our next lesson?